A common problem we find in bore water is bicarbonates or high bicarbonate levels, particularly in northern New South Wales and southern Queensland. As you can see in the chart, bicarb levels vary, but are frequently quite high in the water tested. In this photo, we have a demonstration of the impact of bicarbonate levels on 2,4-D amine. Along the front row, you can see bicarbonate levels ranging from 0 on the left through to 250 parts per million on the right, and efficacy is decreasing as the bicarbonate level increases. But also, significantly, when you look at the 75 parts per million, we've already lost a fair amount of efficacy. And now we're looking at 500 parts per million bicarbonate with and without liase, or ammonium sulfate, showing that the liase is not giving us much amelioration of this high bicarbonate levels. Conversely, we switch to an ester 680. On the right-hand side here, we're back to full efficacy. So the take-home message here is where we have high bicarbonate levels and we would like to use a 2,4-D amine, we cannot ameliorate the water using liase. We need to look at switching out the amine with a ester formulation of 2,4-D or looking at an MCPA to go with the tank mix partner. In this next photo, we're still looking at high bicarbonates but mixed with a group 1 Clethodim. We used a range of water rates from 0 through to 500 parts per million bicarbonate levels, and efficacy has decreased as the bicarbonate levels has increased. But again, even at very low levels, at 75 parts per million bicarbonate, we're seeing an impact already. For the DIM products, liase is very good at ameliorating our bicarbonate water. As you can see in the back row, the efficacy is back to where it was with the 0 parts per million. In these photos, we're looking at water hardness and the impact on glyphosate. On the photo on the left, we have DST and Collide 700 in soft water with very good grass control. We use the same rates of DST and Collide 700 but in hard water, this time 600 parts per million, and efficacy is clearly impacted through the green wheat growing there. And then the third photo, we look at DST plus Collide 700 plus our liase to ameliorate the water, and our efficacy is back to, and if not even better than, the standard soft water. When we're looking at ameliorating our water with a product like liase, you want to add your liase in the tank first and allow it a bit of time to bind in with the hardness or the bicarbonates. So we take that out of the solution before we go on to adding our glyphosates, or the next step in our tank mix order. For further information on water quality and water testing, I'd suggest to go talk to your local agronomist.